Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on Netflix. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.netflix.com and hit enter. After the home page of Netflix opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, just below the sign in button, on the right hand side, you'll see the need help option. Go ahead and click on it. Now on this page, you'll have to select a way which you would want to reset your password. For this video, I'm going to show you from the email address option. Now just simply click on this email address option and then fill in your email address. After you fill in your email address correctly and then click on the email me button, Netflix will send you a link or instructions to reset your password. As you can see on your screen, Netflix has sent me a link to reset my password. Now all I'll have to do is click on this button. After I click on the reset password button, I'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, I'll have to fill in the new password and then confirm my new password and then click on the save option. Once I click on the save option, and if I've met the required credentials, my password on Netflix will automatically be changed. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on Netflix. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.